Let me show you a time machine that you get to travel back in time to check out the evolution of your competitor's website. And interesting, there's actually a tool out there that archives most of the websites out there, and it's called Wayback Machine. And let me show you how you can leverage this to continuously improve your website and to check out what your competitors are doing. So what you do is very simple. You just Google Wayback Machine. Once you click on that, right, it's an internet archive that say you want to check out just for fun, apple.com. And you'll see that it archives apple.com, right? Many times throughout the day, 68 archives just throughout the day, because it's a very, very dominant website. So it'd be fun. Let's go back to 20. Wow. Let's go back to 2009, 10 years ago. Let's see. What is Apple showcasing here on their website? And it does take a little bit of time to load this. But of course, it's all archived with a snapshot of their website. So you can see, wow, at this day, right, back in 2009, February 2nd, the homepage is showcasing the world's thinnest and lightest 17-inch notebook, right? Obviously, it's very, very outdated according to today's standard. But you should be able to type in your competitors. So let's say if you're in the cremation business, you can type in tulipcremation.com. And you can benchmark where they were before versus now. Because some of these large businesses, they're ongoing tweaking their website, they're tweaking the copy. So one easy way for you to do is just go on, right, check out your competitor and click on the, right, you can see this is a little bit smaller site, less traffic, so it doesn't get archived as often. But you can go back, right, way back early this year, and you get to compare what it was like before versus now, okay? So you can put it side by side, right? So this is currently, you just go on there versus before. You can see the copy has changed. It used to be just free quote. Now they change it to instant online quote, right? So a nifty tool for you to travel back in time and have fun with it.